Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So, not much has changed. We did progress a little bit to the upside, which is interesting. What I was expecting, but I was expecting a little bit more than that. But nevertheless, it was Monday. Monday is normally muted. A lot of data coming out this week, which could impact this currency pair. So I'd be watching very carefully. We do have a crossover of the oscillators and they've separated, so this is a bullish setup at the moment above the moving averages. Everything looks fairly interesting, and we do have a level here which looks like it has been tested. We'll see this look on the lower time frames. I still believe this is a flag, strong move up flag. We're waiting for the structure to form now to indicate the move to the upside. So that's kind of my view. Lots of barbed wire at the moment, so in other words, lots of tails to the upside, tails to the downside. 3-hour oscillators now grouping to overbought territory. So there has been a break of the flag. If I do this, but it's not a very juicy break. So I suspect you're probably going to be finding some support somewhere in here. We'll maybe see something on the hour. But yeah, that's just extreme volatility. Look at all these tails, not something that you really want to be trading. The bullish patterns at the moment above the moving averages. We're holding above the moving averages now. We're above the 150 MA, so the trend is technically to the upside. You have a lot of resistance to the left here. And remember what I've said multiple times, this area that we're in is weekly resistance. So it's going to be tough to get through this. And it's actually showing you how tough it is at the moment. But nevertheless, I think one bit of data which is going to drive this, because there's many bits of data coming up, but one of them is going to drive this. And it's either going to break strongly and then form a base for you to jump in, or it's going to break strongly to the downside, reject, and then give you an opportunity to jump in short. So for now, the 15 minutes was chaotic yesterday. You can see how we battled to hold the 150 EMA, but we eventually got going, which is a really good sign for the bulls. But I think we need to get above this 109365 and come back and retest it before I'd be interested in anything. Don't really want to be trading this kind of chaos. And you can see that flag level is here, and there hasn't been a really decent, there's been 2 decent rejections, but there hasn't been a decent support on it. So you can see there's a tweezer bottom on it, but then we drop below it, so that's null and void. So it wouldn't surprise me to see us come all the way back down to 109224 and then find some support down here. So I would look for levels on the hour, pay attention to the charts on the hour before jumping on this. Don't try and second guess it on the 15-minute because this is chaos. So that's kind of the way I would see this today. Patience is key. Just wait for the data. Something is going to give, and then you'll get your opportunity. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.